on to Lex Factory. Pengke, ZhongShan Pengke. Are you there? ZhongShan Pengke. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. ZhongShan Pengke. Maybe Nina is already wait for a long time, so not online now. Hello.
中奖呢，有一个共小朋友。
Hello.
可以了吗
Hi. Good afternoon. ZhongShan Pengke. You can open the speaker. ZhongShan Pengke, please open the speaker. Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Maybe you open. Is there any mobile? Please turn off the mobile.
是我这里的。
Yeah.
是哪一个
Just one mobile is okay, and turn off another mobile, or maybe put the mobile. Yeah, now it's better. Hello.
可以了吗
Can see. We can see the commercial lighting there. Yeah, I can hear you, but the background, the voice, the background. Maybe turn off the. Now it's better. Hello.
可以了吗
Yanni.
不就翻过来
Yeah, now it's better.
我这个摄像头的话，我要转换的。
这个
Yeah, now it's better. Can see many commercial lighting there.
不是说什么你这会很小
Please make the mobile
Hello?
vertical. Please make the mobile vertical. 把它打竖. Hello, not very well. The signal now.
”这就有点尴尬了，还没开始就结束了吗？
没有 We are still here. We are here.
那个有点远了，我看不清。
Excuse me, can you make the mobile phone vertical? Yeah. Now it's okay. Yeah, it's better. It's okay. Are you Alina?
Alina here.
Yeah. Hi,
I'm Alina from Pengke. Yeah. I'm Alina from Pengke. It's honor to restoration our products for you.
Did you turn off another mobile? Yeah, it's better. Let's turn off the other mobiles. Yeah, now it's better. It's okay.
Hello. Today, I want to introduce three family products for you. First one is our main product. It's luminaire. This product I can show you is watch. Hello, Helen. Can you?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I can hear. I can hear. Hello. Okay, now it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
等一下，我把这个声音关了。
This family in total 118 interms for hot sink zeros and 26 interm accessories for MR system. Because 我切换页面才能他们。This products the core design is familiarization for rich. So it can meet customers different needs and different choose. You can see here, just the simple, just a simple one products. It can change many way to photos. You can see the things. There is sickle with trim and thickener with trimless, and twin hand with trim and twin hand with trimless, and square two hand and trimless square. The free collection like building blues provide enough choose for more things. Multi-hand face books provide more matching ways. Let's. And then, according to lighting effect variety, sales and lighting effect can be silent. Each kind reflector or series has its own unique light effect. There have different accessories can choose, like this, pinhole and oil beam, reflector, like this. The different accessories put out the different light effect.
Different reflector, yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, see.
Yeah. And the different reflector we have different color. You can choose around the 6 color. Red gold and the matte black.
Matte black.
And the chalk. And the set white.
Matte white.
And the pure black.
Pure black.
Pure black. And all these can put out different then I can show you the outer ring. Outer ring part we have different choose. This is trimless and
you use for different
round one and two hand trimless
Calculatorly.
It's like
后调整。
帮我放视频吧，我调整一下。
Can see many with back downlights there. Our signal is now.
The hosting. Hosting is have plastic board and hosting. Plastic board it can. Let's show a video first. 刚刚有点是有点尴尬了。
Oh, very nice video.
没听到他说话，他跟我互动没听到。等一下，我调整一下。
Different lens. 很离谱。Different degree. And it's level. Yeah. Very beautiful video. Hello, Elena.
Hello.
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 Yeah,
Show the video.
Yeah,
I
the
want
video.
to introduce the.
Mm.
Yeah. Later. Show a video. I want to show our simple books for you. Here. For this family. This
whole family.
Simple books have. Have 4 wheels and the handle in here. So if you meet the customer, you can catch this simple case is very easy to show other people. It includes 4 size products: 6 watts, 12 watt, and 20 watt, and 13 watt luminaires, and some sensories which fit for 20 watt. And in here, they have power when you show to your customer.
Yeah.
I can show you. This is the power in here, and
connect
on the power. There's 12 luminaires condemning here. So you can show your effect our lighting.
Yeah. How about the angles?
This one is we have 3 angles. 15, 24, and 33.
33.
This is
Yeah.
the 24.
It also can dim.
Yeah, except this, it includes different ordering here. It's chimneys, and square one, and yeah, 2 hand.
2 hand.
You can put the light in here. Okay, here, put out the reflector and push here.
Very easy to install.
Yeah, suppose how to thing called.
Yeah.
I put it in here.
Easy to install. Yeah.
This design is easy for when you revest or installation. And this is the reflector design, and we have another lens. You can see here.
Yeah.
Yeah. All of them is 12 watt.
2 lens.
Yeah. Now I can show you the spare one. Spare one. We have different reflector can choose. This one. Or this one. And the optical fighting. This is over beam and only combo. And we have special design of this product. I can show you here.
It's the track line.
The waterproof can make 14 volt.
It's the track line.
Yeah, you can make 14 volt. And the same light. But we make luming inner chips and liquid.
Oh, can be underwater.
This can use all this family.
Oh. Is IP65 or IP68?
14.5.
Wait. Oh.
We make some special inner chips and liquid.
It can be used in the shower room.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait.
还有啥？
介绍一下lens。 And we have another product want to introduce for you. It's nice family. Okay, here is blue design.
It's another family.
It look like a tracklight, but no, it's just the surface. You can see here. Just use screw
Surface
in
mount.
your ceiling.
Yeah.
It use to track, so the ceiling will be more clean and beautiful.
Great.
And the hand can run the measure is 315 steps.
Can turn.
Yeah. And we have 1 hand, 2 hand, and 3 hand, and 4 hand.
How many watts per head?
We have 2 sets can choose 6 watt and 12 watt.
6 watt or 12 watt? Oh.
Yeah. And there are other family we want to introduce.
Another family.
Yeah. But
Hi, Nina.
This family is similar with our Lina family. You can see here. It includes the recessed interim and surface interim and hanging interim.
On the interim, yeah.
帮我切换一下。
We can see.
Yeah, you can see recessed one include this is surface and hanging one. Important one is process in here. This part can put
very
out.
easy to take it out.
Yeah, so you can change the outer ring each other. This one is it's and chimneys and 2 hands here, 2 hands.
2 hands, yeah.
Yeah, this is 1 design and 2 this part. You can change each other. This is plotted. And a normal reflector.
Oh.
It can make a different color. 6 color. As Nina.
6 color, yeah.
Set white, set black. Yes, set gold and set silver, and charm and pure black. And this one.
Surface mount. Downlight.
Yeah, this pot and this pot, they can change each other.
Can be the ceiling.
Yeah. And this one we can make a surface or hanging. This is the core of this family design.
Yeah.
Now let me show you a video about this family.
Hello. Can you open the video?
We want to show a video at the end.
Yeah. great. Your video is very, very fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah. The introduce is and thank you, Helen.
You can send more videos to us, and then we can post your videos on our Lightstrade SNS, and then we can promote your goods.
Okay, very thank you.
Yeah, because your video is very very good, very excellent, and then very detailed.
Thanks, Helen.
Okay. So, do you have another products or another families?
Maybe next time.
Okay, no problem. We will go on, and then we will have another online event maybe later.
Okay, thank you, Helen.
Okay, thank you for your detailed introduction. Thank you very much for your company and for you. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
Helen.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.